to get the only car insurance that guarantees your satisfaction.
What are you doing? Are you eating your thumb? You eating your thumb, Bubba? Yeah. Oh.
Time to simplify the game, brought to you by Windows 7 and get much more simple than this. They have the best quarterback on the planet. 4 more touchdowns by Aaron Rodgers. He had 5 incompletions.
Yay, big boy! You rolled over all by yourself. Good job, honey.
You gonna roll back now?
He's like, no, you roll me back. I want to do it again. Yay, honey. Good job.
No.
Are you proud of yourself? You should be.
We're proud of you. Bob.